That's too funny.
She's like, okay, you gotta do something else.
She likes her.
She's like, come here so I can get you.
Oh my god.
That's awesome.
See what we were talking about?
Hey.
Yeah, I'm recording it. We got our laugh on camera. Yes.
Look at them holding hands and grabbing her. She's like, go touch her.
Come here, please.
You laughing, Ellie? Is that your friend?
She's like, let me hold her.
I want to see what size it is.
Give you a
You're cute. I want your skirt. Can I have it? No.
I should still put this on YouTube.
Do you like it? Do you like your
Baby gets millions of hits. Every other laughing baby gets millions of hits.
my favorite skirt?
You gonna trade
Not
her?
sparkly enough for you?
It's a diaper.
You gonna laugh again?
She's like, what's that thing on your head? What's that thing?
They make me put those on sometimes too. Got the bubbles coming out.
Don't kick her. Sabrina says, Mommy, she can't get me.
Did she ever laugh like that before?
She has a few times, not ever that much.
I tried to get it on videotape and we had her laughing real good. Right when I started